Did you know that you can mass update the companies in your company profile? A lot of my clients don't realize this, and especially as we're starting to leverage AI, we know that we need clean data. So if your companies don't have the cleanest data, here's a couple ways that you can help to clean that up. What I'm talking about is here under the companies company section. If you've ever looked in here, you may notice that there is a lot of information that's stored in regards to companies. And we can see that there's different fields available. So there are the territory type, there's usually a tax code, which we don't see on this list, but a lot of the time that data is not great. Address, city, state, or province if you're Canadian, and other different pieces of information. When you go to update that information from here, you go into actions and it just gives you the option to add or remove a company type, which isn't giving us the full functionality that we're looking for. We actually want to update something else or another field across a number of different companies. We're going to do that under the mass maintenance screen. So I'll go under system and then I'm going to go to mass maintenance. This is available on the web version. You don't have to be on the desktop version. So we'll hop on into mass maintenance and I'm going to go to company mass maintenance. Here I have all of the companies as soon as I hit search that I saw in my previous screen. So I'm looking at the exact same information, which is all of the active companies within my organization. Here you can see that there's also a few other ones, so it's not just filtered on active, but you could go ahead and filter them if you needed to. Now, let's say I wanted to update the country for all of these blank ones right here. I could click on the country to sort by everything that didn't have a country and select the first line and then scroll down and select the last line. Now I'm going to go to Update Selected Records. This is keeping all of those ones that I've selected already continue to be selected. And here I can put in some more information. So I can update the tax code for these if I so choose. I could update the time zone, the company status, the territory as well. It looks like country isn't available, but that's okay. And I can also update the market or the company type. So there are additional fields that you can update. Once you've selected how you would like to update them, you're going to select Apply Updates. And this is going to tell you how many records you are changing. So we're changing 25 company records to that tax code I had previously mentioned. Once that's done, what it will do is it'll let us know that this has been updated. And as we scroll across, we'll see that the tax code has been updated for every single one of these companies. And now we can see that that update has taken place. This isn't a foolproof solution. As you saw, it doesn't allow you to update every single one of the fields, but it does allow you to update most of them and do it en masse. So please go ahead and look in the system mass maintenance to see what kind of mass maintenance you can do within your ConnectWise system. Also, if you found this helpful, please go ahead, like and subscribe. And I'm also going to be doing a free office hours on October 15th. I'll put the link below and in the description as well.